DPO OPD 64 Just for you.
Are you still the same, or did you change somehow? What do you do at this very moment when I think of you? And when I'm looking back, how we were young and stupid, do you remember that? No matter how I fight it, can't deny it, just can't let you go. I still need you, I still care about you. Though everything's been said and done, I still feel you like I'm right beside you, but still no word from you. Now look at me. Instead of moving on, I refuse to see that I keep coming back. Yeah, I'm stuck in a moment that wasn't meant to last. I've tried to fight it, can't deny it. You don't even know that I still need you. I still care about you. Though everything's been said and done, I still feel you like I'm right beside you, but still no word from you. No, no. I wish I could find you just like you found me, then I would never let you go. Though everything's been said and done, yeah, I still feel you like I'm right, like I'm beside you, but still no word from you. I've lost my faith in everything. I couldn't believe in anything until I put my faith in you. Is it a sin? Is it a crime to worship somebody all of the time, anytime? I would do anything for you. I found my heaven right here with you. Believe in me forever, I believe in you.
BPO OPD 64 Just for you. Baba na tayo. Sapagkat tugong delta no, di kami magpapatalo. Sapagkat tugong delta no, Delta Phi Omicron Delta Phi. Ako isang miyembro ng fraternity na gustong tumulong sa ating society. Serbisyo sa kapwa amin ang nagawa, kaya sa amin ay marami ang humahanga. Talento, serbisyo at pati sakripisyo. Ako ay sugo ng Diyos at ginawang instrumento. Sagrado na pangalan aking dinadala, hindi magpapaapak at kami alsa. Hawak-hawak kamay, kami ay susulong. Di kailangang sumikat basta't makatulong. Just Philia Omicra ang aming gabay, na maging maayos at tuwid naming buhay. Patnubay ng Diyos, pagmamahal sa kapwa, pagpakumbaba at pag-uunawa. Walang mawawala basta't magtiwala.
Yan ang mga kailangan mo para maging dugong deltano.
Sapagkat dugong deltano, di kami magpapatalo. Sapagkat dugong deltano, Delta Phi Omicron Delta Phi. Sa pamamagitan ng aming panangga at dalawang kalapating matutulis ang duka, masilaw sa araw na nakatatak, na tilang nagsabi sa amin na unang utak. Marami ng pinagdaanan, lahat hinarap. Mga problema binasag parang battle ng pop. Hindi kami perfecto, pero kapag kumpleto, hindi kami perfecto pero tila may sikreto. Di kami mga bobo at kami ay matatalino. Di tulad ng iba, puro lang salita. Sobra-sobra sa dada, wala namang nagagawa. Nagmamayabang, nagmamagaling. Kumaka at tawin mukha kang butante.
Tama na nga ang babaho ng bungangan nyo. Di naman kayo mga libyado tulad namin mga deltano.
Sapagkat tugong deltano, di kami magpapatalo. Sapagkat tugong deltano, Delta Phi Omicron Delta Phi. Sapagkat tugong deltano, di kami magpapatalo. Sapagkat dugong deltano, Delta Phi Omicron Delta Phi.
Tonight we are young, so let's set the world on fire, 'cause we can burn brighter than the sun. Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire, 'cause we can burn brighter than the sun. Now I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find a ways to fall apart. but our friends are back. So let's raise a toast, 'cause I found someone to carry me home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire, 'cause we can burn brighter than the sun. Won't you carry me? Won't you carry me? Just carry me home tonight. Tonight, we are young, so let's set the world on fire, 'cause we can burn brighter than the sun. Tonight, we are young, so let's set the world on fire, 'cause we can burn brighter than the sun. So if by the time the bar closes